Okay, finally, if you go to the Journey to New York sequence, uh, so you get to see whatever her name was. Journey to New York sequence, open that up, and you'll notice that there's a mix of tracks here. And there's a way that you can normalize your audio, so so if your voice tracks are inconsistent from one to another, you can change those and normalize that. But that's something a little bit more intricate. But what you can do is, so say you have several clips of audio and maybe a music bed and everything, and you want to kind of modify things as it's moving along. And so you want to maybe hear how all those clips are mixed together. You can do that. So there's the audio clip mixer, which will kind of do that clip by clip. But if you want to run it all together and see what it sounds like, you'll go to the audio workspace. And this is where I got tripped up because I hadn't seen that part before. So you'll go to the audio track mixer. So in the audio workspace, go to the audio track mixer, and you're going to scroll down. And what you see here is it's something a little similar to the clip mixer. And so you can do the same thing here and listen to these and mix with one another. So you can really kind of do a good job of mixing things together. You can also adjust the master clip. But to do it several clips at a time, you'll need to start your playhead at the beginning, and then you want to put this on right. Okay, and what that's going to do is it's going to add some keyframes in. All right, so I'm going to play this clip, and I'm going to adjust, and you can adjust the pans as well, the left and right channel. But you can also adjust just the basic levels, and that's what you have here. So I'm going to play this clip, and then I'm going to bring it up every time she ends her.
Suffice to say, I would know when I saw it.
Bring it down. I mean, it sounds like crap, but. And then you want to add that little high audio at the end, and then dissolve it out. And then if you play it back, you at your audio, it's going to written in. So you see my audio is just kind of all over the place. So that's just another way that you can use it. You can do audio track mixer, which looks at all the overall clips together. So you make sure you put this onto right, and then after it's done, it's going to go to touch. Or you can just use the audio clip mixer, which is just using individual clips, and you can adjust accordingly.